Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, I want to share with you guys 5 tips to help you get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, I just want to make it clear, YouTube does take a lot of hard work. And if you don't have a big enough why as to why you're starting a YouTube channel, it is super easy just to give up on it. Let me throw out a couple whys to make you think a little clearer on why you should start a YouTube channel. What would happen if you lost your job next month? How would you pay your rent and feed your family? Now, how about this? You keep working that same job and the economy, month by month, keeps spiraling out of control, things are getting more expensive, and you're just digging a deeper ditch with your credit card debt. Pretty scary, right? YouTube alone has changed many lives and can change yours too. On my channel, I've tried it all. I've uploaded videos weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. I've hired video editors. I've hired thumbnail makers, SEO. I've done all this stuff myself, just trying to see what works, what doesn't, what's a faster way to grow the channel. And in this video, I'm gonna share all this with you to save you time and headaches so you can grow your channel a lot faster in 2024 and start making some of that YouTube money and not have to worry about the economy controlling your life. Now, without waiting any longer, let's get into this video and I'm gonna share with you the first tip to help you get your 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So for the first tip that I wanna share with you guys is to outsource as much as you can. If you have extra money laying around that you can throw at YouTube, I highly recommend it. Whether you're just getting started or you've been doing it for a while, this is gonna make being a YouTuber that much more enjoyable. Shooting the video is hard enough. And when you have to spend 2 to 3 times the amount of time that you just spent shooting the video just to upload it, it's slowing you down. You could have already been shooting the next video. Even your thumbnail. Hiring somebody to make your thumbnail is gonna make your life that much easier. You need a good thumbnail or nobody's gonna click on your video. These freelancers that you can hire on Fiverr and Upwork, they make thumbnails, they do YouTube video editing. This is their job. This is what they do day in and day out. They know how to create the best thumbnails. They know how to edit the video so it's more engaging for the viewers. The next tip that I have for you is to stay consistent. And that plays in with tip 1. It's hard to stay consistent when you're trying to shoot the video, edit the video, make a thumbnail, try to see what's trending for the next video. When you hire these people, it eliminates all that, so all you have to do is shoot the video, and it helps you be more consistent. I've been back and forth. I've been editing my own videos before. I've made my own thumbnails for a long time, did my own SEO, looking up trending topics. Right now, I hire people just so I can try to be more consistent with shooting these videos for you guys. It doesn't matter if you put out a video every 2 weeks. That's fine. Just try to be consistent. And from there, once you're consistent with every 2 weeks, then you could try to do one every 10 days and see if you could actually have a video come out every 10 days. And then look at the analytics. See the difference between 10 days to 14 days after doing, 10 days for a while compared to 14. See if it's driving more traffic and growing your channel faster. The third tip I want to share with you guys is you're playing your own game. Don't worry about these other YouTubers. Don't worry about negative comments. Don't worry about any of that stuff. This is for you. You're building your future. You're gonna get better the more videos you put out. If you've been doing this for a while, you're gonna get better the more videos you put out. So don't worry about anybody else, how many views they're getting, how many likes they're getting, how fast their channels are growing. You're playing your game. And with YouTube, there's no finish line. It's a forever game. As long as you're here on this earth, you can always put out videos and keep growing your channel. All right, guys. So the next tip that I want to share with you guys is to create shorts. I was only putting out long form content for the longest time. And when I started putting out some shorts drive so much more traffic to your channel. When you have 5 times more traffic coming to your channel from a short than you would with a long form content video. Because think about it, the world that we live in these days, nobody wants to sit around for a 10-minute video anymore. Some do, but depending on your niche and all that, like most people are just scrolling through shorts these days because they could get the same amount of information in a 1-minute short. So when you got 5 times more traffic watching your shorts, coming to your channel, these people coming to your channel are most likely going to check out your other videos, whether it be long form, shorts, whatever. And if they like your content, they're going to subscribe to it. They're going to leave comments, and these viewers will keep watching your new videos. And you brought all this traffic by throwing shorts into the mix too. Now for the 5th tip that I want to share with you guys is promoting your channel, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, family, friends, all these people. Think about if one person, one of your friends, you tell that you have a YouTube channel, and in a conversation it gets brought up to another friend and another friend, and those people are going to end up subscribing to your channel. Those people will talk to their friends, their family, and they'll go check out your channel, and that'll start growing your channel. And that is free marketing right there. You're not running any Facebook ads. Even though you do have SEO with your YouTube channel, that's good. That's going to help grow your channel. But actually promoting it on your social media and telling friends and family is another way to help start growing your channel. And YouTube algorithm, when it sees more people are going to your channel, they're subscribing, they're watching your videos, they're going to push your channel out to new viewers, because YouTube is seeing that people are engaging with your channel, that they like their content. So it's helping YouTube grow. So YouTube's going to push your channel out more. And that's it. That's 5 tips right there that will help you grow your channel a lot faster. And these are things that I've learned throughout the journey that I hope it could help you grow your channel too. And if this video has helped you in any way, please like the video so it get pushed out to more people. Subscribe to the channel. My name's John Mitchum, and I'll see you in the next one.